What is that? I used to think watching a movies or writing a songs was enough to learn English. But the truth is, if we don't practice what we learn, we will forget it. Hi guys and welcome back to From Thai to Try. I'm Pim and today I'm showing you my secret weapons for turning my favorite song or any topic into the digital flashcards using NotebookLM. And it's very easy. It's like use a few minutes to get a flashcards. So you will stay with me since putting a files into a notebook LM and get the flashcards in few minutes. So let's dive into my study routine. The best part about this tool is that it learns from your content. Like if you have a specific content that you want to learn, you just put your content into Notebook LM and you can ask Notebook LM anything about that topic. So you will not get distracted to learn another topic. You will stick with that topic that you want to learn. So it's very good. And this is my notebook LM and I want to create new notebook about the topic that I want to study. So I want to study vocabulary in the song and this is where I will place the files of the song lyrics into it. So we will click on the upload files and my song lyrics here and then press it in. And here where the notebook LM summarize the files that you put in. And now we will create a flashcard. As you can see here is the flashcard. You can see like many things here, but my object is creating a flashcard. So we will click on it. So here I have the prompt that you can type in like what you want it to be. So I need to put my prompt here. Based on the upload lyrics for Legally Yours, that is my song, create 10 flashcard style questions. Focus on the artist's words used to describe distance and emotion. And you can use the difficulty level too. So I need advanced, so I use the difficult one. And then build. And now the only thing that you can do is just wait AI to create your flashcard. So when you waiting for the flashcards to create, you can ask Notebook LM any question about the topic that you want to learn. So here I have like a question that suggests for you. So you can click on that if you want to know about that question. So I want to know about what are the main emotional and legal challenges described in the lyrics. So I asked the question and wait for the answer. And here's come this answer. Or you can ask about the vocabulary too. In the lyric, they have like the vocabulary that I want to know about border. So I can ask what is the border mean? And here is give you the answer. This means physical and legal barriers that are keeping the couple apart. Oh, it's like it's working as a notion that I did in the last video, but this one is more like specific topic. So it's gonna answer you on the main point. So that is good. And you can talk like anything with this. So now we got a flashcard. Let's see what it's gonna look like. So let's do the first question. In the beach was paradoxical metaphor describe a relationship that appears delicate from the outside but is actually indestructible. What is that? So I don't know. It's a masterpiece of glass. Oh, this one is like very hard. So I don't know, like very hard the vocabulary too. but it's good. Let's see the next question. The recall imagery of borders finally melts away refers specifically to the disappearance of physical separation and what other upscale legal barriers. Oh, I see. Oh, it's hard though. Let's see the next one. It's fun though. Concept the in between. Definition the painful waiting periods experienced by a couple between being. So this flashcard is hard, so I might not reach to that level yet. So I need to create the easy one or the medium one. I can create more flashcards, like depend on my level. So it's very good so far, and I can make another type of learning in NotebookLM too. I'm thinking to do it in the next video, maybe for the podcast or for the quiz of the topic that I want to learn. Creating flashcards this way saves me so much time. I don't have to worry about the grammar rules as much because I'm focusing on the energy and the attitude of the words. So this is how you improve your English by using technology to support your goals. If you want my notebook LM prompts for study English, I have put it below. Don't just watch, start trying. I'm Pim and this is from Title Try, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.